Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Shopee cash on delivery temporarily disabled. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your particular Shopee app on your phone. Once you have done that, right over here you will try to purchase something that you have added in your cart. Once you go to the checkout page, and there is no option for cash on delivery. So as you can see, cash on delivery is temporarily unavailable for orders from local sellers due to multiple field deliveries. As you can see, the reason itself is written over here because of the multiple failed deliveries, that whenever the package is out for the delivery and nobody is receiving that, nobody's paying for it, it needs to be returned to their warehouse. That's why has been stopped. Once it is in control, they might release this particular problem or the service, they might release it, but otherwise there's nothing you can do. You just have to wait patiently and purchase while paying online. So that's it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.